This is a Breeo 32 inches wood burning smokeless fire pit in stainless steel. Very beautiful and will never rust. Looks nice and clean. We're gonna start it up for the first time tonight. That's the fire that started. The fire pit has a double wall construction. It allows air from the outside to circulate and come out through those holes on the top. And after fire pit gets hot, it will re-burn the smoke before it gets out of the fire pit. And that's why they consider it a smokeless fire pit. But it was also a heat element because the stainless steel gets hot and generates heat and reflects heat for the surrounding 10 feet away all around the fire pit. This is a very nice device, very nice and clean. We are happy to use it. We won't build another fire pit without using a Breeo fire pit. This also comes with a grill. So the whole post goes in there and you can attach a grill to cook on it, or a griddle, or even a pot that hangs from the top. This whole system that comes as an option for every Breeo fire pit. You might visit our showroom, the Gappsi showroom, and you will see them all displayed, the entire line of Breeo fire pits.